A. B. B. C. D. Huh? I didn't have don't. Huh?
D.
D. E.
Let's say A.
F. G.
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 Should be the hard one. Later on, we'll learn the soft.
H.
Very good.
I. E.
Very good.
J. J.
Yes, very good.
K.
Very good.
L.
Very good.
M.
Very good.
N. O.
O. Say O.
P. Q. Huh?
Yes, that's right.
R. S.
Good.
T. U. E. Huh?
Yeah, that's right.
V. W.
Say W.
What? X.
Like there, very good.
Y.
Yeah.
Z.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so we're going to learn the letter M. Maybe put the letter M in the middle. And then S. S over there. S over there. And then the P. And then the A. Okay. So we're going to do the M, S, P, A. Can you make the sound? No, this is not reading yet. You just make the sound of each letter. Okay, so those are the different letters, and we're going to learn today. Now we'll make a sound or make a word. So, okay, you put down the and then a, and then and p.
Map.
Very good. Wow, you did good right away. So map. So usually it's there. So map. How about
Yeah.
How about Sam? Can you make the word Sam?
Sound.
Very good. Oh, okay, very good. How about the word Pam? Good. Very good. Wow. Now you have three
Well, this
words.
is
Yeah.
just 4 letters.
Yeah, see? The magic of the alphabet. 4 letters, then you can make many words from them. Okay, next word. How about sap?
Sap.
Yep.
Sap.
Very good. Oh my goodness, you're so
I just
quick
did
to
fast.
learn.
I just sounded out fast and clicked out.
Yes, pretty good, pretty good. Now, how about am? Like, I am going to do my schoolwork.
I am.
Am.
I am.
Very, very good. Okay.
I am
Okay.
going
Okay. So,
done.
that's done for now. For next time again, now we'll read our reading, our story.
Jam. Ham sat.
Who?
The jam. Ham sat. Ham sat. The yak sat. Ham had Haim.
Sound it.
Haim.
Okay, it's a short letter A. 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 A.
Haim.
Ham.
Ham.
Okay.
The yak had ham.
Very good.
Ham had a yak. Yam.
Yes.
The
Oops.
yank
No. Yak.
yak had
No. Yeah.
Well,
No. It's yeah. A.
yam,
Yeah.
yam,
Yep. Just sound each letter.
had jam. The yak had jam. The yak had jam. Pam had a bag. The bag had jam. Jam, jam, jam. The end.
Very good. You did a good job. Okay, you're done.